Man, that glass old, man. He's having a time, yeah. That glass 30-something years old on there. He got some little personal tools he using. Extended pole razor blade. Hook this on there and pull it. Oh, and pull it. That's what's up. So we gotta break it. It's so like seized up on there. We gotta break it. Woo. There she go. So I gotta peel out that back deck and redo that too. Yeah, it look pretty good from this angle though. Yeah. Quick, man, if y'all in Florida, they pull up. He came from Ocala to Gainesville. So here go the number right there. Here go what they do. Here go the name. Tap in. So we set the glue. Now we putting the glass in. She pretty. Snug too. They look good, but it's alright. Push it in. Damn. Also, while I'm there, I'm gonna look up getting some replacement parts, like the fuel filter cover, and some other little stuff. I don't think I'm gonna go crazy. You know, this is just a 305, so. But y'all be sleep on a 305. It might not be the strongest, but shit, it ain't never put me down. Only problem I had with this car, man, mechanic wise, was shit. Really just running out of gas because my damn the center unit and my gas tank broke, so I don't even know what, saying how much gas I got in it. I replaced the center unit one time, but that ain't fix the problem, so square one. But we're gonna get it right this time. I ain't bullshitting. So I gotta get new paint. Don't ask me what happened, because I don't know. I'm gonna get a new windshield, because you see this little foam, whatever the hell you want to call that, it's starting to bubble up and shit. So I had the back replaced. You can see that bitch straight glass. It's brand new. It was the last one in the in Buddy Them warehouse. This was a bad idea. The damn door poppers. I got some Chevy doors at my mama them house. I gotta go get them. I'm gonna switch it out, so that way I got a door handle on there. As far as the motor, I think I'm gonna just ride a 305 for a while until I decide what I want to go with. It ain't never put me down, so I ain't in no rush to upgrade it. Oh, I need to get these little, where's that? We took them all off, but those little tabs, them little tabs right there. I seen some of them from Sprayway. He got his off of Summit, so I'm gonna go on there and see what I can find on there. These, the blinker lights, I'm gonna switch them out, top and bottom. Headlights are good. I think I gotta switch out my fuel pump. it don't want to catch when I turn it over. It's trying, but it ain't catching. So I think the fuel pump might be bad. And then I got some rust that's starting to come up on the trunk. And the bumper fillers, I don't know what happened to my bumper fillers, but when I parked the car at my mama's house, they was there. Now they gone. So, but this, and then the trunk's starting to get some cancer on it. Shit, the paint ain't nothing but about 10 years old. I don't know why it's. And I've been keeping the car cover over it and shit. Well, for a while though, it didn't have no car cover over it, so that could be why. But the main thing I want to focus on is interior. You see all that rust is the worst side over there. The driver's side not so bad. In the headliner, do that, and the dash. But I think I'm gonna start with this. I already got somebody who gonna do it for me. I just want to get the car at least drivable, so he can move around as needed. But he said it only take him like 3 or 4 days to cut it out and put new metal in there, if that. I'm gonna call around and see. Well, I'm gonna call the same company who did my back glass for this. Get a price on that. I took the seats out and shit. They in the garage. But then my main thing is I want to do. I need my ass whooped, but it ain't too bad. I just need a little 10-11. That's it. A little 10-11 can. She gonna be good. Got the battery in that bitch charging up now. But yeah, that rusty ass damn air filter. I'm sorry, Lachey. I'm gonna get you right. I promise I'm gonna get you right. But yeah. See, what had happened was I had, started getting to motorcycles, so my bikes took the attention away from the Chevy. It is what it is. But it's all good. We're gonna get it right. Got my boy Tyler. We out here doing the starter for the Chevy. Just throwing little parts at it. See what we can come up with. It's been sitting too long, so just throw little parts at it. It won't turn over, so we're just trying to see what we can do. It has some juice to it, but that starter was kind of old, I think, so just worth doing. Yeah. All right, I want to show y'all the seats. So they go to front too. They not in bad condition. They just, they old. They go to back seats. I just did that stain because it was on this rusty part in the garage. But overall, the shit good. I never had a problem with these seats. It's still in good condition. I can't remember who did this, but somebody put out a blunt on my goddamn headrest, and I was snapping. Disrespectful ass motherfuckers. But anyways, yeah. Press, and I gotta do something with the goddamn interior, like the side interior. Yeah, this the side door interior. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet, and I gotta do the back deck too. But as you can see, that's not bad either. But it got to get changed. Oh, and I need a front dash. Look at that. Boy, this Florida sun ain't no motherfucking joke. And then of course, you know, this. Oh, there go my flashlight. Yeah. Oh, I need to rewrap those side pieces that go up there, as well as what am I do with this damn interior, bruh? I don't want to do nothing with, well, I kind of do though. That wood grain shit, it might be time to switch that out. I know people don't like that, but that shit outdated, yo. It's time for a change.